channel, never tasted before. Today's recipe is green chicken. I'll show you the ingredients. Here I have taken half kg chicken, washed and cleaned it properly. A full bunch of coriander I have taken along with sticks. 1/4 cup of curd. Half bunch of mint leaves. 1 small bay leaf, 2 cinnamon stick, a pinch of haldi powder or turmeric, 8 to 10 badam, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and salt to taste. Here 1.5 teaspoon of fresh cream, 5 to 6 green chillies and 1 medium sized onion chopped. Let's start preparation. Now switch on the flame. Heat the pan. When pan get heated, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil gets heated, add the chopped onions and cook it till light golden brown. Meanwhile, in the chicken, add half teaspoon of salt and a pinch of turmeric and mix this well. After mixing, keep this aside for marination till 10 minutes. Now add cinnamon sticks and bay leaf. Saute it for a minute. Now add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. After sauteed for a few seconds, add the marinated chicken and cook this on high flame for 10 minutes till it changes the color. Meanwhile, let's grind all these ingredients: coriander, curd, mint leaves, green chillies and badam. Grind it into form a paste. After grinding, the paste look like this. After cooking for 10 minutes, you can see the color of the chicken has been changed. In this, now add the grounded paste. Add half a cup of water. Mix it well and cook it on the medium flame for 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, see it's cooked lightly. Now add fresh cream. Mix it well. Mix it well. Now after mixing again, close the lid. Close the lid and cook it again on medium flame for 4 more minutes. You can see it's cooked nicely. In this, now add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder and cook it for a minute and then close the stove. Transfer in a plate and garnish with onion rings and green chilli. You can see how beautiful and tasty it's looking. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share my channel and take the bell icon for the notifications whenever I upload a video. Stay home, stay safe.